In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload an Excel file to ChatGPT. This function is incredibly useful if you want ChatGPT to analyze your spreadsheet data, summarize rows and columns, identify patterns, explain formulas, or even help you transform numbers into valuable insights quicker than ever. If you find this explanation helpful, consider subscribing to the channel and liking this video, as it helps us create more quick and informative software tutorials just like this one. Alright, let's dive right in. First things first, go ahead and open ChatGPT in your browser or on the app if you have it installed. Once you're on the main screen, take a look around for the plus button. This is usually found near the message box and is the key to uploading any files. Go ahead and click on that plus icon. After you do this, you'll see an option to attach or upload a file. Select that option, and a file picker will open up on your device. Next, navigate to where your Excel file is stored on your computer. It's important to know that ChatGPT supports common spreadsheet formats like XLSX and XLS, so whatever format you're working with should be fine. Select the Excel file you want to work with and click to upload it. Just a heads up, once the file is attached, you'll want to wait for it to finish loading completely. This is a crucial step because ChatGPT needs the file to be fully available in the chat for it to analyze the data accurately. Now the exciting part begins. Once your file is uploaded, you can type exactly what you want ChatGPT to do with your spreadsheet data. For instance, you could type something simple like, "Analyze this data," or even request a summary. If you're looking for more specific insights, feel free to ask things like, "Can you identify the top performing product?" or "Summarize the monthly sales trends for me." Remember, the clearer your prompt, the more precise and helpful the response will be. For larger files that contain many entries, you could ask ChatGPT to break down the information into manageable sections. You could request comparisons between different columns or ask it to highlight any unusual entries you might need to pay attention to. If you want a formal result, such as for a business report, just let ChatGPT know. Alternatively, if visual aids are more your speed, feel free to ask for insights or suggestions for creating charts using the data you've provided. And don't forget that ChatGPT can help explain any formulas in your spreadsheet in simpler terms if you're having trouble with those. Here's another helpful tip. Keep your questions focused and specific. Instead of asking something vague like, "What does this file say?" you might try something like, "What are the key trends in this sales sheet from January to March?" A focused question gives ChatGPT a clearer direction and is more likely to yield a precise and useful response. Once you receive the first answer from ChatGPT, don't hesitate to keep the conversation going. You can ask follow-up questions, request shorter summaries, or even inquire about comparing different tabs if your Excel file contains multiple sheets. This interactive feature makes it an incredibly powerful resource for working with spreadsheet data without needing to search through everything manually yourself. So to do a quick recap, open ChatGPT, click the plus button, upload your Excel file, and simply ask ChatGPT exactly what you'd like it to do with the data. It's a straightforward process that can save you an incredible amount of time. If this tutorial has been beneficial for you, please remember to like the video and subscribe for more easy guides like this one. Thank you for watching, and I can't wait to see you in the next video.